Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do something different with a new board. So it's going to be the ESP32 camera module. So let me show you how to set up your ESP32 camera module and explain to you about the stuff. So first, you should open your Arduino IDE first. Alright? After you've opened it, you have to go to File, and then you have to go to Examples. But before this, you have to plug your ESP32 camera module onto your your computer. So, well, there are a few methods of doing this. I'll show you how I do it. All right. So let's do this. Guys, I've got my ESP32 camera module here. So this is what you originally call the ESP32 camera module. So this is the micro SD slot where you can insert a SD card onto it. This is the place where you insert your camera. So you also get a camera module with your ESP32 camera. So this is an OV3660 camera here. A majority of people have the 2640. This is a better version. It has 3 megapixel view. So what you have to do is first, when you get it, you open this black color slot here, and then you take your camera, slide it slowly into it, right? Like this. And then what you have to do is, after it went inside, you click this black color a piece of plastic onto it, and then it will make sure that this won't fall, and it will connect our camera to the board. And then this is the micro SD card slot. It's not compulsory for adding a SD card because it does nothing at first, but for if you want to like make a camera so you can snap photos, you can get this, but for now we don't need the SD card. And now let's move on how you program our ESP32 camera module with the computer. So, well, I've got this ESP32-CAM MB, which has, it's like a shield. You can just insert it like this, and that's it. You can just connect it to the computer. But some of you might have a TTL method, but throughout our channel, I'll be using this MB method. So what you have to do is, there's a micro USB port here, and then you just have to plug it onto this slot. After that, you can connect it to your computer. So I'll and as I told, as in the name, it says ESP32-CAM, right? So it also has the same ESP32 chip on the ESP32, like the normal one I used for one of my videos. Here it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both inside, so you could do various projects, so like a Wi-Fi camera. So let me connect this to my computer. So after that, you can see that there's a red colored dot here, which indicates that this is being powered. And well, that's it. Now let's go and code this, and I'll show you like the specific methods of coding this. So guys, so I've opened up my Arduino IDE. So now what we are going to do is I'm going to show you. It's like a similar process like how we did the ESP32. It won't be much of a difference, all right? So let me guide you through the example here. So what you have to do is, firstly, you have to go over here, which says Arduino Uno. It won't say Arduino Uno on your one. It might be something else. So click on it, and then you'll see here on the panel, you'll see in this case it has seen my ESP32 camera as an Arduino Nano. So what I'm going to do is you are going to click on this edit board and port, and then after you go there, what you do is you are going to change its name. So most of the people use AI Thinker ESP32-CAM, which is suitable for what I showed you. Some people might have the ESP32i camera or something. But here I'm going to use the AI Thinker camera, which is my chip here. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go to File. After you go to File, you might be seeing Examples. So after you go to Examples, you have to go down over here to ESP32. After you go to ESP32, you have to go over here and then find camera right here, right? After you go to camera, you have to go and click Camera Web Server. After that, the Arduino IDE will open another window for this ESP32-CAM's example code here. So it's a lot of code here. So I'll guide you through how to do this. So here we are connecting our ESP32-CAM to our home router. So what you are going to do is here you have SSID, which is your home Wi-Fi network's SSID and your password. After you have entered that, then you have to go to the board's config. After that, you can find this. So mine is not ESPI, so I'm going to comment this line by simply adding 2 backslashes, and then I'm going to uncomment the AI Thinker ESP32-CAM, which is this, right? So uncomment that. After that, what you're going to do is that's all. Then make sure to add your username and password here, guys. All right. Then I'll show you a trick. All right. So what you're going to do is you go to your you first go here and then go to save or save as. Then you should find a location on your computer. All right. So this method I'm going to go to desktop and save this camera web server. All right. And then it will save a file of all your details. So let me go to File Explorer here and then go to Desktop. And then after you go there, you can find out our file called Camera Web Server. Click on it. All right. And then it will open up in this like so. So what we are going to do next is it's going to open it. After you go there, it will open it, and then what you're going to do is it's pretty simple and straightforward. You just have to collect all of this, then select it like this, and then you have to do it first do as this, compress an email. It might be different on your computer, but I'm using Windows here. So don't forget to archive the format to zip, not RAR. Then you just have to click on OK, and then it'll make it as a zip file. Just ignore this. All right, so close, and then you will be able to see this. Here you can see. So next what you are going to do is you are going to open your browser, and then we are going to go there and check out our Arduino other online compiler. All right, so let's go. So I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to type in app.arduino.cc. After you do that, you'll come onto the Arduino IDE's official website. So log in. It'll take a few seconds, and after that, you go to Sketches. And then what you have to do is you're going to import a local file. After you do that, you know that you can only upload only one file, but no, you can only create one file at a time, but you can upload a zip file. See, supported format zip, INO or PDE. So you go to click on import. After that, it will go to desktop, and then find your camera web server, and then upload the zip file, and then open. And then this will load it up like so. And then you just have to click on close, and then you can see here camera web server, and then open it. So as you know, the ESP32 takes a whole lot of time when you upload it from the Arduino IDE. So what I'm going to do is, I've taught you in a previous video how to quick it up. So you're going to use this, the online compiler, which is like 10 times faster. All right, so now you have to edit these details what I told you, and then we can go on to our stuff, and let's continue. All right. Well, I encountered a problem where here it only loaded up the camera web server. So what you have to do is, if this error comes to you, what you have to do is you have to go here and add, and then you have to go import the file, go to the same folder. So now you have to select this one by one. So I already uploaded this. You can't select two at once. You can only select one. So upload the board.config. After that, you go back again, import file. After that, you go and select camera index. And then finally, you import the camera pins. So you can see that all of this has been loaded up here. All right, so now you have to configure the settings. Remember, you have to go to the board config, and then go to model and select your model. Most probably you guys select AI Thinker, which mostly all the people use. So then now let's go to upload it. All right. So guys, after that, what you're going to do is now just click on upload, and then it will upload your code to your ESP32 camera module. All right, so it will take a few seconds, so it's already verifying. And then let's see, it's an error. Let's see. Give me a second, guys. I'll see what's the error. Guys, the problem was that it was the newer board versions had a error here, so you can use the Arduino IDE's AI to fix it for you. So it works with your Arduino IDE. If you install the latest ESP32 board package, there might be some errors. All right, so you can give it to an AI to fix it. So the thing is, in the board in somewhere in the code there's a outdated sketch there. That's the problem. So after that, just click on upload. So let it upload again. So it'll start verifying. And then after it uploads, you can see it's going to upload, and it won't take much time. So it will start uploading like this. And then make sure in a previous video I showed you how to use this the Arduino IDE on the online platform. So remember to install the agent. You will be prompted to install it. All right, so now it got uploaded. Now what you have to do is you have to go to your Arduino IDE again. Then you go to your serial monitor right here. And now here on your ESP32 camera module, there will be a reset button. So click on the reset, and then you will come here. You will come to this page. It will say Wi-Fi connected, Wi-Fi connected. Then you have to select this IP, copy it, and then go to your browser. After that, you go to your web browser. Your browser, then paste in the IP. Make sure you're connected to your network, which you made the ESP32 camera connect to, and then click on it, and then you will come onto your this page where you can see all the settings needed to use your ESP32-CAM. So you can see that it detects your OV33 OV camera, and there are different cameras in the market. You can it will recognize a few cameras based on its chip. So after that, you can set your resolution to anything. I'll be setting it to, I don't know, it's your choice. I'll set it to VGA. You can adjust your brightness level here, and then you can use this to actually so you could adjust your cameras. There's an LED, right? I'll show you. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Start Stream. All right. So after you click on Start Stream, you can see me here with your OV2640 camera module. All right. So you can go here. I think you can see it here. So now I could hold it onto my face like this, and then I could go here, and you could go to LED intensity, and look what happens. All right, I'm going to turn it up like that. So here it will turn on your LCD. You might not be seeing it correctly. So it will turn it on, and then it will shine some sort LCD onto you. Then you could get photo of yourself. So what you have to do is go and click on Get Still, and then it will capture a photo of you, and then you could click on Save, and then you can open it with your file viewing thing. So open it, and you'll be able to see your picture. So there are stuff you can do with this. So you can use the setting here called face recognition. You have to lower your resolution down, and then again start the stream. All right. Stop and start. All right. So you can see my face here. And then what you have to do is you're going to lower the resolution. All right. So, well, yeah. The lower your resolution is, you can get a more quicker view. And if you turn it up to max and then start like this, it will be extremely slow. All right. So now let me turn it down to the smallest. You can see it's pretty fast. It's like real time. But when you turn up your resolution, it might get a bit slow. So you can use the standard. It's QVGA. It's this. All right. So, well, that's it for today's video. All right. So don't forget that you can actually access this camera from any part of your house where you have your router connection. So just plug in your ESP32 camera module onto your power supply. Maybe your phone charger, you can plug it in, because there's a regulator on mine here with this MB. So after that, you can paste it on your wall, and then make it as a security camera. You can access it even with your phone too. All right. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any problems with your code, or you need to contact me, you can contact me on imethwimalaweera@gmail.com. So let's meet in our next video.